Collaboration with reliable contract manufacturers who can, in addition, offer fast regulatory services becomes competitive advantage and can be win-win scenarios for both partners. Acino can also help with writing SCMC documentation, with regulatory strategies or due diligence, so you can focus to grow your business and leave regulatory compliance with us.
At Acino, our approach is simple: to help you to achieve quickly regulatory approvals without compromising compliance. With our combined CMO services and extensive experience in regulatory affairs, we guarantee a seamless and efficient process. Collaboration is at the heart of our approach. Regular meetings and calls keep everyone informed and provide a platform for discussion and feedback. If needed, our experienced steering committee governs the process until successful completion.
We are well versed in regulatory requirements, constantly monitoring and adapting to the changes in the legislations. We always provide the dossier adapted to the change. In full compliance, we perform thorough due diligence and prepare the ACTD dossier accordingly on your behalf. We interact with health authorities utilizing different database interfaces and submission gateways. We ensure a 100% compliant dossier with XCVM PD messaging. We extend our support to you in EU, non-EU, and rest of the world countries. We look forward to collaborating with you.